over 6. And we're going to multiply that by 2 over 1 because all whole numbers are over 1. So then we use the strategy from the last lesson. Anything in the numerator can cancel with anything in the denominator. So I'll cancel 1 and 3. So our answer should be 23 over 3. So it doesn't say to leave it as a fraction or to leave it as a mixed number, but since we started with a mixed number, ideally we want to put it as a mixed number. So that means this is equal to 7 and 2 over 3. So the kids at this point should be able to do mental division of this scale. Okay, now, if we follow the book, the way that we will read this, remember, is 3 and 5/6. So in math, when you see the word and, that means to add.